Hi everyone, my name is Keith, a machine expert with USA Clean for 12 years, and this is the Bulldog WD20 Auto Scrubber. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it'll help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So you need to replace your pad driver, brush, or just your pad. It's super simple. This is how you do it. Go to the key switch and turn it to the left for just 1 to 2 seconds and release. This will allow the pad driver or brush to release from the deck. So if you need to replace your pad, it's super simple. The pad holder, you push down on one side and lift up on the other. Comes right out. Replace your pad at that time. Get your new pad driver or brush if you need to replace that. We will put it back on the machine. Lock the pad holder in place. And now we're going to slide it underneath the deck. Center it up. Just like that. Now what we want to do is go to the back of the machine. We're going to drop the brush deck on top of the pad driver. You want to key the machine on and just pull your baler. And that will allow the pad driver to reattach to the deck. Just like that, you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.